Kutesai-2, a rare earth mine in Kyrgyzstan in Central Asia, is 100% owned by Stans Energy Corp. For 3 decades, this open-pit mine supplied the lion's share of Soviet Union's rare earth needs. In March 2011, Stans Energy released a Joint Ore Reserves Committee Kutesai-2 for many institutions when deciding in which junior mining companies to invest. The Kutesai-2 JORC shows there is more than 46,500 metric tons of measured, indicated, and inferred total rare earth oxides in the Kutesai-2 deposit. The estimate does not include the stockpile of crushed ore at the mine left over from Soviet years and indicates Kutesai-2's mineral resource is open to a depth below previously explored levels. Grades of rare earth oxides are broken down for different elevations within the open pit, with the higher grades appearing on the upper levels, which will be mined first. In April 2011, Stans released a second supplementary report that shows the overall distribution of individual rare earth elements within the Kutesai-2 deposit. Based on this breakdown and respective oxide prices, 3 heavy rare earths, dysprosium, terbium, and yttrium, along with light rare earth neodymium, represent the bulk of the mine's value. Here's an illustration of how dysprosium, terbium, yttrium, and neodymium have performed in the past decade. Several experts have stated that there may be no let-up in upward pricing pressure for these elements. Industry experts and analysts agree that lanthanum and cerium prices will decrease significantly in the long term. Dysprosium, terbium, yttrium, and neodymium are 4 of the 5 rare earths identified by the U.S. Geological Survey as being the world's most critical in terms of anticipated supply and demand. Market conditions have caused rare earth prices to increase across the board. Here's how international per kilogram oxide prices stood on April 19, 2011, based on FOB surveys. With rising demand and supply constraints from China, the more precious heavy rare earth elements are becoming even more valuable. When Kutesai-2 shut down in 1991, the mine was one of the world's only sources of heavy rare earths. Stans Energy is working to recapture that market when the mine reopens. In addition to its rare earth mine, Stans owns a mining license for the Kalisay beryllium deposit, which adjoins the Kutesai-2 open pit. Stans is currently assessing whether the 2 resources can be mined simultaneously. With these reports in hand, Stans Energy is embarking on a feasibility study to outline the plan for reopening the mine. Stans is working to refurbish its 100% owned heavy rare earth processing complex previously used to process Kutesai-2 concentrate with the help of the same Russian institutes that originally designed and built the Kutesai-2 mine, mill, and processing plants. With these critical reports in hand, Stans can aggressively pursue its goal to become one of the first to market low-cost producers of heavy rare earths.